Come test drive the 2020 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat, driver vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.